Hey, what's up YouTube? Damien Roman here and welcome to another episode. And today we are here on the coast of Spain and we're going to meet Dean, the chef from London, and he's going to teach us how to cook two of my favorite Thai cuisine dishes. One of them is Pad Thai, classic, famous, fried noodles to describe in short, and the second one is red Thai curry. But, and there is a but, because I'm vegetarian and also follow vegan diet, we're gonna try to modify these two dishes, so it's suitable for vegans. So, without further ado, let's go and meet the chef. Hey Dean, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good, good to see you. So, basically, just recap what we're gonna do today in a restaurant. What sort of...
One of the most popular Thai dishes is traditional Pad Thai.
Love Pad Thai, so it's really tasty. And another one?
And a red curry.
Red curry, but it's going to be no meat or dairy used in these two meals. Should we?
The good thing is you can adapt it to however you...
Yeah, you can always modify. It doesn't have to be always kind of in classic way. So we're just going to use more veg and probably mushrooms, but it's obviously down to chef. I'm not a chef, so obviously he's going to show us how to prepare everything.
Okay.
Okay, should we?
Yep, let's go.
Should we go on? Very exciting. So now we're going to actually learn what ingredients we're going to use for first dish, which is Pad Thai fried noodles. So very excited to learn. So
here we go.
What sort of ingredients we're going to...
Basically, the traditional Pad Thai has a spring onion or green onion, bean sprouts.
Oh, bean sprout, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then this is
yeah, that's...
a pickled...
I've never kind of seen it.
A pickled mooli, which is the big white radish. So
Oh, it tastes like radish. Oh,
yeah,
nice.
it's the radish
Similar.
family, the big white one. And then here we have cabbage.
Bit of cabbage.
White cabbage. And carrot. And then here's a bit of pak choy.
So it's all cooked kind of the same time, yeah?
Yeah, it's literally is a wok, a wok dish. So here we have green beans.
So there's zucchini. Oh, I love zucchini. Really nice.
Okay, and a little bit of cauliflower. Okay, and that's the main ingredients here. Okay, and we go over here to the wok, which we're getting hot.
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
right.
Sorry. And then we've got some crushed peanuts. Okay.
Oh, we put peanuts on top.
Yeah,
Do you mix it, or you just leave it like that and then mix it in the pan?
They go all together, and then also on the plate as well. Yeah. And then you need just a dash of oil. Stop it all sticky.
Nice.
It's a very fast dish, so it's literally. So we've adapted it today, but obviously you can put in there anything.
But then you can always use tofu as well if you really want to cook vegetarian version. But
for this you tend to use the drier type of vegetable, so it doesn't stew.
And do you normally add sugar to it? Because I try to avoid consuming too much sugar.
Because it's additional.
Or maybe I could use stevia as a natural sweetener.
Yeah, you can use it. You can use. Right. Okay. You might flame actually.
Oh. Cool.
So that's your ingredients. It's very fast dish to cook.
Overall, it's probably like a minute and a half.
Yeah, it's not
on a high flame. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and here we have some garlic, pre-fried garlic.
With oil, or?
Yeah, with oil. You just fry it. The raw of the garlic. The stronger the.
Nice. Wow, really looks cool. Really looks.
And a little bit of salt. You can adjust this
to your likings,
to your own taste, however you want. A little bit of sugar. This traditionally is a very sweet dish,
so this one is not spicy. It's more more sweet.
Not at all. If anything, it's sweet. So, and then get that working a bit. Yeah.
And they usually add prawns, but obviously this is a vegetarian version. We're not gonna add
we
any.
use the small dried shrimp. And then here we have
Cool, really good.
the rice noodle. These are pre-softened, so these go in.
Soft rice noodles, yeah. Yes.
So no gluten.
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Yeah.
Gluten-free. I mean, fat-free as regards. No, there's no animal fat or dairy fat.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's a little bit of oil in here to stop it sticking. But and you can see when the noodles start to go soft. Obviously, the vegetables will still be fairly crunchy.
Yeah, it's always nice to have a crunchy
You've
sort
got
of.
texture there.
Yeah.
You've got texture with the peanuts, the mooli. Okay, that's it. And then we have this is a tamarind-based sauce.
Yeah, I'm probably going to have another session on on this, how to actually prepare the sauce.
Yeah, the sauce. It's basically tamarind seeds in a puree with a bit of sugar, soy. I tend to use the mushroom soy because it tends to be a little bit lighter.
Yeah.
Then what we do is we move that to the
On the side, yeah.
onto the side of the wok, and then we need a little bit more oil, just for the egg. There we go. One egg, and then
Just to make it scramble.
That's
yeah.
it.
And then, yeah.
to start it cooking off, and then we just move that, turn that down now to finish the egg off. In the meantime, we get a plate, yeah, and put a bit of decoration on the plate. Which, traditionally you have,
Salads.
yeah, like you use the same ingredients because a lot of people like the fresher uncooked ingredients on the side. So we use bean sprout, carrot, cabbage, and then some peanuts, and then a wedge of lemon or
So the peanuts
lime.
never go on the top of the noodles, but
No, I mean no. They go as an optional side order. So we got your lemon, and then this goes back on the top here like this. Because then the moisture from the vegetables go back down into the egg. So when you flip it over, it comes as a whole dish.
wow, that looks really nice and tasty. Always like noodle dishes. I do like rice as well, but noodles is really.
And this is a very fast dish.
Especially rice noodles.
Okay. And then what we do, this is going to be difficult. Capture the camera, but you flip it over, and the egg should go back over the top. Right side. That's it. Finished. Very quick.
Very nice.
Okay. I'll move this out of the way, and then we can do.
Right, that was the first. That was the first meal. Pad Thai, traditional Thai style, and very tasty. So now we're going to start with the second dish, which is also my favourite, and is red Thai curry, but also vegan version. So we're not going to put any meat or dairy. Okay.
Okay, so we start off with the sauce here, which is basically coconut milk.
Based in coconut milk, yeah.
Mm. You need that nice and obviously very hot, and then you have the red Thai paste.
Just about a tablespoon, yeah.
Yeah, the paste is already prepared because obviously you've got a lot of ingredients in there. Red chili, lemongrass, and then you dissolve to start it cooking. Dissolve the paste, and then we have. The thing is with coconut seems to be to release the flavour of the coconut, you need a little tiny bit of salt. This is obviously sugar. Yeah, it's quite a sweet dish. This is obviously Knorr.
Also can probably use brown sugar.
Yeah, you can use brown sugar or honey.
Even honey?
Yeah, or palm sugar. Traditionally, they use palm sugar. This one's lime leaf.
I'm going to try with honey. Manuka honey.
With lime leaf. Okay. And then that's starting to
You can smell the coconut. Yeah. Really nice.
It's coming out now. Obviously, I'm going to put a little bit of chili flake in this one, just to give it a bit extra, because we're brave today. And this one will be we're going now to the vegetables. Now the sauce is ready, more or less. Then we go to the vegetable.
Right, what sort of ingredients we're going to use for this one?
Adaptable to basically whatever you like. I mean,
and again, it's a vegan version, so
this one is, yeah.
We're going to put more veg, I suppose.
We're going to use some red onion, but it's a little bit sweeter. Yeah, some white onion, some cauliflower, zucchini, some carrot. These are pre-blanched, the carrot. Then we have the bamboo shoot, okay, and some mushroom, and zucchini and green bean. So obviously we've got some good colours going on there now. Okay, and then this goes into just pre-blanched in water. This is just
not too long. Just
it's just to literally just to start it cooking. Okay, and here we have some tofu.
Oh, tofu, brilliant!
Which I've got.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just crispen that up a bit in the fryer, because otherwise the texture in the sauce is a bit.
Yeah.
This.
Wow, that sauce smells really nice.
Because there's a lot of water in vegetables anyway. So.
And the lime leaves, did you say?
Yeah, lime leaves. Yeah.
What if we can't find the lime leaves? What
lime leaf?
Basil, maybe?
Basil leaves are very good. They should be in there anyway.
Basil.
That's it.
And.
Okay. And then. Obviously now we always test this to see if we got the seasoning right. And back.
The flavours really start coming out now. It's really nice.
We can adjust the coconut milk now, because sometimes obviously the vegetables will release a lot more water. I can just adjust that. But it's quite hot as well. So. And this one, the tofu. There we go. This is just to give this
nice kind of crispy.
Yeah, if you put it in raw into the curry, it will be, the texture won't be quite as good. So yeah. Let that cook out, because some of the ingredients.
For how many minutes roughly?
2 to 3 minutes.
Do it.
Yeah, depending on the vegetables you're using. You know, if you we've got cauliflower in there, it takes a little bit longer. So.
But it's still nice to have not crunchy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Broccoli as well.
Yeah. You've got to be careful with certain things. And this we're just going off now.
Tofu.
And then this we can put in at the end with. I like some. I like cherry tomato in mine. Just at the end with this. It gives it just another flavour, another texture right at the end. So that's what I These are classic dishes always served with stewed rice. This one, just plain steamed rice because you've got a lot of sauce. It's very powerful flavour. So you need something with it to absorb the sauce. Okay, and then these can go in. Just put them on paper just to soak up a bit of the oil. Yeah, otherwise it will come a bit oily, bit greasy or oily. That's it. And then here we have. We normally garnish this with some fresh chili or basil or some leaves. Well, I think. Yeah. So.
Depends,
that's optional. You can. Yeah. It's obviously strong. And this. That's it. That goes in. Do this way. I'll carry on cooking as well because the heat in it. That's it. And then chili on the top. That's it. It's done. It's ready. Very fast.
Yeah, if you know what you're doing, what ingredients to put in which ones.
There we go. Okay, red curry
Wow, here it comes. That's pad thai. Wow, look nice.
Red curry.
Very excited to try this too. Again, this one is vegetarian and this is vegan version. And a bit of a jasmine rice as well.
Okay.
Brilliant. Right. Can't wait to try pad thai. Oh, it's very nice with tofu. Vegan style. Yeah. And the sauce. Very tasty and creamy. Very nice. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning how to cook these two famous Thai dishes as much as I did. And if, in case you are visiting here, Costa Blanca, Spain, Guatemala for holidays and whatnot, I highly recommend to come and check Dean's restaurant, check his menu here in Costa Blanca. You can find location details in the description below. And that's it for today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. As always, stay healthy and positive. See you in the next video.